Yes, it's Christian Spridon.
My name is Christian Spridon, and I want to be a superstar. I am originally from Romania. I came in UK to follow my dream. I want to be performing with Jay-Z, Beyonce. I want my name everywhere. I love to look good. I like shopping. I just have my teeth whitened. I have all the package to become a superstar. Why not? I didn't expect David Williams to press his golden buzzer. David Williams is healing my heart, but it's not just because he gave me his golden buzzer. I fancy him.
Well done, well done.
Yeah, he's married, right?
No! Disappointed. David Williams, he chose the right golden buzzer. I am the best contestant ever. I want to win. I am not going to disappoint you. Thank you.
Well, here we go, David. Over to you.
Thanks, girls. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you my golden boy, the sex bomb himself, Christian Spridon! Hi, hi! We're your weather girls, and have we got news for you? Get ready, all you lonely girls, and leave those umbrellas at home!
Rising, Robin is getting low. I'm talking to all sources. The street's the place to go. 'Cause tonight for the first time, just about half past 10, for the first time in history, it's gonna start raining men. It's raining men. Woo! Hallelujah, it's raining men. And the specimen, soul, blood, that can live, rough and tough and strong and mean. Oh, God bless Mother Nature. She's a single woman too, so that each and every woman will find the perfect guy. It's raining man. Woo! Hallelujah, it's raining man. Amen. It's raining man. Hallelujah, it's raining man. It's raining man. Yeah!
Come on, Christian. Come on down here for me. And let's start with you, Alicia, if we could. Can we? May we?
Oh my goodness, I am actually speechless at this point. If it wasn't for the fact that there was all those dancers in, you know, showing their buff bodies, I probably would have buzzed you too. But
What?
no, honestly, it was so out of tune. It was ridiculous. But I think that was yeah, I can. Thank you very much. It just didn't work for me, darling. But that was so much fun. Well done.
Yes, it was a piece of entertainment, but I think the Eurovision Song Contest was about 2 weeks ago. And I think you probably would have done quite well on that competition. I'm not sure you're going to do very well on this one.
I really love Britain's Got Talent.
Obviously I buzzed. So you're a nice guy, but honestly, in all the years we've been doing this, what, 10 years, that was by far the worst vocal we've ever had on this competition. And that says a lot for David's taste.
Can I say, the reason you buzzed is because Christian said he fancied me, not you.
Did you like Christian's performance, David?
I love Christian's performance because
Tell me
it's
why.
about entertainment, and that's what you came out tonight and did. You are a born star. I I mean, Alicia, she made a career miming. You know, you can do that.
You're barking up the wrong tree there. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, judges.
Thank you.
There you are, David. So, Christian, you see what you've caused? You see what you've caused here on Britain's Got Talent. Did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed my act. I enjoyed flying. I do the most dangerous things from the world because no one done it. So I enjoyed my act and I love the audience. I love them all.
Christian, thank you so much.
Me too.
If nothing else, it was genuinely entertaining tonight, so thank you very much for that.
And if you want to see Christian back here for the final, then I'm going to call his 0902 44 24 08 from a landline, from your mobile, call 6 44 24 08, or vote via the app. But lines don't open till we've seen all 9 acts. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, Christian Spridon.